Hello, Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Medical Centers. If you've been involved in a car accident in the Wesley Chapel area, give me a call. The call and the consultation is free. 866-402-4250, 24/7. You'll speak to me, a board-certified medical physician. I'm an osteopathic physician, board-certified in family medicine. I've spent 30 years treating injured patients. You can speak to me, not a nurse, not an assistant, not a marketing person, by calling 866-402-4250. If you've been involved in a motor vehicle collision, you need to report that injury in 14 days in the state of Florida. Your primary care doctor will not report those injuries. Call them up and verify this, but they will not do that. I'm a primary care doctor. I know your primary care doctor wants to know about your treatments and your diagnosis, so I send reports over to your primary care doctor. No other clinic does that. I've been doing this for 30 years. I know the difference between putting together a good medical report and making the appropriate diagnosis on the front end so you don't lose your case or lose access to medical insurance coverage as the case goes on. So many times the patient goes to an ER, urgent care center, to report their injuries, and they come out with a diagnosis of no acute findings because there's been no broken bones. Or they go to a center where no medical doctors actually seeing them and documenting their injuries. So I do that from the comfort and privacy of your own home. You can go home, tap out our link to our telemedicine site. I can make the diagnosis, call medications into your local pharmacy, send reports to the responsible insurer, to your primary care physician, and to your attorney, all without you leaving the home, and it's paid for by the insurance company. The other option you have to report your injuries, go to the ER urgent care centers, sit for hours among very sick people, spend hundreds or thousands of dollars, and then be told there's nothing wrong with you. Well, that's the worst thing that could happen to you. Call me if you want to speak to me for a free consult. 866-402-4250. I'm available 24/7. If you want our services, just tap on a link. It's paid by the insurer. I can document your claim, report your claim to your physician and attorney, call medication in without you ever leaving your home. So if you've been in an accident and you're at fault, you should still document injuries. People who are at fault fail to report injuries because they're fearful of their rates going up. If you were at fault, your rates are going to go up. Everybody's rates go up every year anyways. So you should report your injuries, no matter how minor, because they may become something more significant later on. If they don't become something more significant, in 2 or 3 weeks of rest and anti-inflammatories, you're feeling better, you just close a case. You're not being forced into treatment you don't want or need. However, if 2 or 3 weeks later you develop increasing pain and you need medications called in, you need to see physical therapist or chiropractor, you have access to that now that you've reported those injuries within the 14-day window. So anybody who's been involved in a motor vehicle accident in the state of Florida needs to report their injuries within 14 days. You can report them within 14 minutes to me. You can report them at the scene of the collision if necessary. Don't risk your health going to an ER, urgent care, if that's not necessary. Go home, call me 24/7. If I feel it's necessary, you need to go to an emergency room, I will then send you off to an emergency room. But if you're not bleeding, you don't have significant head or trauma to the chest or abdomen, it's whiplash and back injury, the ER is just going to consume money, send out bad reports. You're better off giving me a call, linking to the telemedicine site immediately, get medications delivered to your home immediately. If you've been in care in the area and you're not happy with the care, call me for a free second opinion. Often you get stuck in a center where you don't seem to be getting any better. The same things are being done over and over again. You're not improving. Nobody's ordering MRIs. Nobody's ordering consults with neurology or orthopedics. They do that because they're afraid money may go out and they can't keep that money in-house. I'm concerned with your health. And so I will make sure that you have access to the right people. We have a great network of providers in Wesley Chapel. Chiropractors, physical therapists, orthopedic, neurosurgery, injury attorneys. I work closely with these individuals and have over the years. So we know what our patients need, how to document injuries, treat injuries, and get the best outcome for our patients. So again, if you've been injured in the Wesley Chapel area in a car accident, give me a call 24/7 at 866-402-4250. Thank you.